Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Bird, jump, jump, jump on the lily pad. Splash, 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 we're so glad. Ribbit, ribbit, sing with me. Happy little frogs by the pond you see. Frogs on the lily pad bounce up high. Touch the clouds in the big blue sky. Jump and splash all day long. Come join our Froggy song. Hop, hop, hop with a great big smile. We can leap and play for a while. Ribbit, ribbit, what a sound. Frogs are dancing all around. Frogs on the lily pad bounce up high. Touch the clouds in the big blue sky. Jump and splash all day long. Come join our Froggy song. Hop, hop, hop with a great big smile. We can leap and play for a while. Ribbit, ribbit, what a sound. Frogs are dancing all around. Frogs on the lily pad bounce up high. Touch the clouds in the big blue sky. Jump and splash all day long. Come join our Froggy song. The sun goes down, the sky turns gold. The frogs feel sleepy, stories told. Ribbit, ribbit, soft and sweet. Time to rest our jumping feet. Frogs on the lily pad, so slow. Ribbit, ribbit, off we go. Shh. Good night, little frogs.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.